Okay, so welcome all. Welcome. And today's topic is are IT stocks at a sweet spot? When we are saying sweet spot means are they at the optimum level where we can think of investing in coming future? Are they optimally priced? Their valuation is correct, or let's say sort of correct or not? So that is what we are going to find out collectively. Like I'm not going to share, okay, yeah, stock is less. I'll just present to you some thought process, and then everyone can take it forward from that point onwards. Take your own call, take your own decision. So, can I have yes from all of you? If we can start, I'll allow you to unmute. I think people have joined, and if they join, okay, whatever. Yes, okay, great. So, let's begin. Now, let's understand two concepts based on which I will be putting up my case why I think IT stocks are at a right pricing. Okay, so now first point is market capitalization. Market capitalization. रवि जी कह रहे हैं मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. How about others?
It is coming, Samir.
It is coming, no?
Clear.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, great. So, first point is market capitalization. Market capitalization is the share price into total number of shares. Okay, I think Rishi Rajesh ji को मैं mute कर रहा हूँ अभी. Okay, I'll mute all only. I think it is difficult to unmute everyone. So I'm muting all. Sorry for that. Okay. Now, market capitalization is how it is calculated is share price, whatever is the current market price or the share price into multiplied by total number of shares. So whatever is the number comes, that is the market capitalization of any stock. What is constant in these two is the total number of shares. Normally, unless until a company is bringing a subsequent public offer or it's giving some shares to like allocating shares, unless until they do that, the number of shares are constant. So once they have IPO, SPO, the number of shares for years together they are constant, or they'll bring split, still it will remain constant after the split. So what varies is the share price. Like every minute when the market is open from 9:15 till 3:30, day over day, what keeps changing is the share price. So market capitalization every day will change because of the share price. So if share price goes up, market capitalization will go up because total number of shares are constant. Is everyone with me? Market capitalization clear? Can I have yes? Okay, so it is clear. Now, ideally, like we can say for like for discussion's sake, or which is a reality also, that a share price will go up if the company is growing. Let's say company is doing business of 100 crore today. Tomorrow it is doing a business of 120 crore. Then it is doing business of 140 crore, 160 crore, 200 crore. So if a company is growing year over year, then only the share price will go. If the company is not doing business, if it is not doing sales year over year, increasing the sales, or not only doing the sales, but if the company is increasing the sales like 100, 120, 140 year over year, if it is growing, then only its share price will increase. Agreed? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So the market capitalization will increase if the sales is increasing. So sales is increasing, market share price is increasing, so market capitalization will also increase for a company. So one point is established, market capitalization. Why I am stressing to it is, I will come to that point, but let's understand market capitalization. So this thing is clear. Second is, what we are going to hamper upon is the PE, price to earning per share. So share of a share price for one share divided by the earning per share for that company. Now, from where this earning per share comes is, if you see, you'll have sales, cost, sales minus cost, profit minus tax, blah blah blah, is the profit after tax. Profit after tax after we give dividend and all, whatever is remaining as a pure profit for the company becomes the earning of that company, right? Profit after tax becomes the earning of the company. So it is calculated as a earnings per share, and PE is calculated that, okay, whatever is the cost of the share divided by earnings per share is called PE ratio. So price to earning is the final profit after tax which is derived per share. Why I am explaining this is because I will take 2 points for comparison. One is the sales. Increase in sales doesn't mean increase in profit. Okay. So we'll take sales and we will take earning per share. Earning per share is the profit after tax, sort of. People can challenge me, but let's assume I'm saying 80% truth. So sales will take how much business a company has done. Then they had operation cost, profit before tax, tax, then profit after tax. So that is covered by earning per share. So we will be using today market capitalization, sales, PE, and earning per share to like make our case. Okay. Yeah, I think Ravi Bansal ji ko main, I'll send a message, otherwise. Okay, so I have sent a message directly to him. Okay, so yeah, I have told him to rejoin, and I have asked him to try increasing the speaker volume as well. Okay. Okay, so we have for today's discussion, we have market capitalization, we have sales, we have PE, we have earning per share. Fine. So let's begin with our premise. Okay. Now, let's set some background for our discussion. Now here, okay. I'm just unmuting. You can unmute now in the meeting now, since everyone is settled almost.
Yeah, one quick question, Samir.
Yeah.
Where from we can find out the total number of share?
That is not relevant right now. Let's continue with the discussion that I can cover later on. So let's see the background right now. Why we are taking IT as a for reference. Nifty, if you see the chart, you can see the chart. Can someone confirm?
Yes, we can see.
Okay.
Nifty
So
chart.
Nifty, we can see in 2022, here is a Nifty, right? Nifty was somewhere here, March 2002, somewhere here. So it has almost gone how much? 16,000 to 22,000. It has almost gone like 33% in 2022 to 2023, 24. Almost 30% it has gone up. If we see auto industry also has zoomed up. It has gone up from almost 1,000, 10,000 to 20,000. So auto industry, this is CNX Auto, which has also gone up almost 100% from 10,000 to 20,000. But if you see Bank Nifty also has gone up like that. So CNX IT, if we see, it has not gone up, rather it has come down, and now barely it is coming back to the situation where it was in 2022. So everyone is able to see that, okay, other sectors are going ahead, but somehow the IT sector, if we see comparison in last 2 years, it is at almost same level. To 2022 se leke abhi tak it is almost at the same level of where it was. Everyone agrees? Everyone is okay? So far so good?
Samir sir, how do I reach to this screen?
I have uploaded a trading view, how to use trading view. You can go through that playlist. You'll be understanding this.
Yeah, but it is when I upload it, it says me CNX site. Is this the same site?
Yeah,
Website?
CNX same set.
But it is coming all the USD.
Sir, we
and
will
others.
do the discussion later because there are 59 people. I cannot attend to one-on-one questions in between, sir.
Fine, it's fine.
Okay. So let's ask questions related to this only. So let's go ahead. We have IT, it is coming from here to here. The IT has not gone, like it's almost at the same level from 2022. Everyone is okay? So far so good? Yes, no? Okay. Now the point is, IT stocks must have done some business over the years. They must have grown by sales and all. But their share price is almost same as, let's say TCS. If we see, it has come from 2022, whatever was the share price, it is almost at the same location after 2 years. Now, if you see TCS, if I click on TCS here in the screener, and if I go down, it has done business. 1,991,754 crore was the business. Now it's almost 238. So it has grown over 3 years. But the price, what it reached in 2022 and what price it is there right now, it is almost same. Okay. Okay. Now, if you see in screener, this is the price chart. This is the price chart of TCS. Okay. Now, sorry, I'll make it to 5 years. See, this is 2022. In the screener, it is showing 2022. And as of today also, it is almost at the same level. Let me change this chart with a different perspective. So we have in screener one more thing called market cap versus sales. So market cap, we know it's a share price into total number of shares divided by sales. So if we see, as compared to here, the market cap with reference to the sales, that means the sales have increased, but the price remains same. So the price which with what we are getting today as compared to the sales volume, what we had 2 years ago, the price is cheaper because they have increased their year-on-year sales. So as of today, the price, if you see this chart, this blue line, the price for the sales they are doing, it is cheaper as compared to 2022 value, even though looking at only the price chart. If you look only at the price chart, the price is at the same level. But if we compare with reference to what sales they are doing, the price is cheaper. Hope everyone is okay. Everyone is understanding this correlation. Yes, no? Hello?
Yes,
Yes?
yes.
Okay. So now second thing, what it is giving is for 5 year, this line maiden market cap to sales ratio is 5.7. And so this dotted line here, I don't know whether it is visible on the screen or not. So now this is 5.7 and right now TCS is at 6.1. This is almost near to its maiden. It's the normal market to sales price. So we can say it's at the optimum level. Few days ago, it was below the optimum level. The price was at below the maiden level of market sales. Now it has reached to that level. So sales we have covered. We are seeing it is at the optimum level. If you see PE ratio, like I said, the earnings, right? Earnings is the last part after the profit after tax. Now, if we see the PE chart, the price to earning, price is same as today's price, but the earnings have increased. So PE is less today as compared to this. See, if you scroll down here and we see the earnings, EPS in rupees, earning per share in rupees, and if we come to latest, it is 122 rupees per share. So if the share price is 3991 today, divided by 122, it will be lower as compared to 2022 when it was 3991 divided by 104. So PE ratio was higher than, now the PE ratio has gone down. So PE is at a optimum level because this line, median line, it has given for TCS, not for the industry. For the TCS, it is showing 29.9, that is 30. It is just at 32. So PE is also at a 5-year median level right now, though only looking at price. If we see, TCS price to price level, if we see the price is at same level, but price to market cap versus sales, actually we are expecting that if sales goes up, price should go up. It is at a lower level. It is at near the median. Also, PE level, the profit after tax, also it is near the median level. So it appears that the IT stocks, though they have recovered, but still they have some value left if compared to 2022. The share price versus the sales, share price versus the earning per share, they have still some value left. Kuch cushion left hai, jo it can increase, it can go up. You are with me? Everyone with me?
Oh, yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yep.
I will leave it to everyone in the group to go and do their own research on this because they can put this in screener and all. I'll just take you through few ideas. So I'll take you through 4 stocks. Okay, today. So here in the screener, there are 10 stocks. Okay, so let's see a few stocks. I'll take you through TCS, Infosys, and then 2 more stocks, 4 stocks I'll discuss. Then you can always take down those 10 stocks and then you can do the comparison for yourself. Okay, so someone is ekdam say interested in Coforge. So Tushar is interested in Coforge. Okay, so now I'll come to that. Coforge. Yeah, Tushar, I have read your message, so I'll come to that. Okay, Infosys. Again, Infosys, if we go down, the price right now, 5 years price, if we take 2022, the price is lower Then that, let's see, market cap is at the optimum level. It is done at the mean, right, as compared to sales. So Infosys price, though it has recovered, still it is at mean, which is at optimum level. PE is little higher. Okay, now we have, if you see, sales growth for TCS is 13%, 5 years, 13%, 3 years. As of today, it is 10%. Profit growth is 10, 9, and 12, like that. For Infosys, if you see, 16, 17, 8, and 9, 13, 3. So it has been growing with a consistent rate of 16, 17, and 3. Let's take Coforge on the demand of Mr. Tushar. So Coforge, so price is higher. Price is higher than 2022. So, sorry. If we take 2022, the price is higher. Is it really higher than 2022? Let's look at it from market cap to sales point of view. Now here you will see the difference. In Coforge, you can suddenly find the difference. See, price as of now, people might say, nahi, nahi, yaar, ye bahut upar chala gaya. It is at lifetime high. It has gone up. Will it go up further? जोर बचाएगा इसमें. So if we see from market cap to sales, अभी बहुत जान बाकी है इसमें, right? If you see the market cap and the sales they have done, it has still headroom to grow up. If you see from PE ratio, again, it appears it has got a decent headroom to go up. So even if the price is at the higher end, it is lifetime high, still from the sales point of view, it is pretty much having headroom. See, the profit, this is the sales growth, 24, 18, right? So the price has not done the justification as per the correct. As per the sales growth, the price has not done justification. Sooner or later, the price has to do some justification. Now, अच्छा, इसमें ऐसा एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. Let's take one example of why it is not coming. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Okay, let me take Bajaj Auto. See, if we take Bajaj Auto, it has gone up from here to here. If you see market capitalization versus sales, correct? Market cap, yeah, like it has gone up. The market capitalization and sales. See, price. This is of Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, the price has gone up. Correct? If you see the market cap and sales, again it is chasing the price. If you see the PE ratio, again it is chasing the price. So here, what we are seeing in Bajaj Auto is the price, the sales, and the earnings, every chart is showing upward direction. Whereas, if we are seeing in Coforge, the price is showing upward movement. Market cap versus sales, it has not caught up with the price increase. Rather, the price has not caught up with market cap with the end sales and the earnings ratio. So, abhi bhi looks like काफी जान बाकी है. And last but not the least for the today's discussion, let's take LTIMindtree. Now, LTIMindtree, the price is almost same as 2022. Rather, it is down only, but market cap versus sales, if you see, it is almost below the optimum level and much below the high. And this is also at the lower end. Why I am taking this example is, if I see the profit variable max to min, LTIMindtree 5-year profit variable is 31.72. 3 years profit percentage growth is 42. This year profit is 16.9. Sales is also fantastic. There is a positive change in FII also 0.54, which compensate the DII and promoters also. And still the price has not matched with the, sorry, this is the price, and the price is still appears to be optimum from market cap versus sales and PE ratio. So this, out of all 9-10 stocks which are there in IT, if you see the comparison, Infosys, TCS are definitely at a very optimum level. This is TCS, this is Infosys, but LTI Mindtree, if you compare with this aspect, appears to be at a very, this is LTI Mindtree appears to be at a very optimum level, like from the market cap, from the PE point of view, it appears to be very at the juncture where if it starts going up, it has lot of headroom to go up as of now. So if we look at the chart, there is a chart. Why I'm not going through others? Because we have a limited time. So see, this is in slight uptrend as of now. There was a gap down after earnings. I don't know why there was a gap down, but earnings were fantastic. Still, there was a gap down and it is consolidating. Sometimes it happens with stocks. They have a good results, everything. Relatively good results, but market are still not happy. They give it a thumbs down, it goes down. But it brings the stock to a valuation, good valuation, where we can buy. Should we buy right now? No. Let it start going up little bit. Let it turn around. Then you should buy. The best indicator to use is Ichimoku indicator. It gives a clear indication how and when to buy. Typically, it should come and touch the Kijun-san line. Then it is ideal that, okay, it has stock has given a green signal that, okay, it has stabilized, it is likely to go up. Till it touches Kijun-san, it is advisable not to enter it. Okay, so this is all for today. My request to everyone would be, okay, you can go and check all other 10 stocks, have a look at it, the concept what I have shared with you. You can like manthan karke ki whether what I am saying makes sense or not, and then take your own decisions. Okay. So with this, I come to the conclusion of my presentation today. So have you people learned something new today? Something interesting? Some different way of looking at things?
Yes, for sure. It was helpful. Yes, thanks.
Okay, great. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Now we are open for questions. So any questions, please start.
Samirji, just maybe if you have any video, how do I reach to this screen? Because when I try to log into this particular, what do you call, the trading view, it is not coming. So maybe I'm doing something wrong.
Isme my playlist is there. Like if you go to my YouTube channel, just hold on, I'll share with you. You know my YouTube channel, right?
Yes, yes.
Achha, theek hai. Okay.
Samirji, one thing I like to just talk.
Just hold on. Just hold on. I'll just okay. So here is my playlist. Here you can see these are all playlists which I have shared also. So kaun puch raha tha? Rupak ji puch rahe. Who was asking about the view?
Yes, I can see.
Rupak ji. Yeah, so this is how to use TradingView. This I have gone step by step. What all problems you'll face, I have covered everything. These are some 6-7 videos. You can have a look at it. So you'll get complete guidance of on how to use TradingView here. Fine. Here, how to use TradingView in my channel. If you go to my playlist, you'll find how to use TradingView. So it will solve all your problems.
Okay, Sameer ji.
Okay. So any other questions we have?
Sameer ji,
Hi.
let's meet.
Yeah,
Atul
Atul.
this side.
Yeah, Atul.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. First of all, good to kind of connect again after long. Yeah. So, a quick one about this today's session. While we compared this increase from 22 to 24 for sectors which are basically having, I mean, technically whatever you showed was absolutely correct. But is it happening because of the reason that from industry view perspective or business perspective, the other industries which we saw is having a lot of local consumption as well as export, whereas IT, which is highly dependent on Europe and US, which are struggling, that's the reason it couldn't really pick up, or it remained flat more or less from 22 to 24. So I mean, if we keep technical aside for a time being, maybe that justifies that position, right?
See, but sometimes emotions also run no in the market. So what I'm trying to say here is what you said is absolutely right. कि उनको dependency ज़्यादा थी, so they had difficulties in running. But if you ठीक है difficulties थी उनको, but if you see LTI Mindtree, okay. Now LTI Mindtree has done fantastic business in last 1 year in spite of all global local pressure. कुछ भी बोलो आप, ठीक है, मतलब नंबर्स फंडामेंटल नंबर तो यही बोल रहे हैं कि इस साल भी उन्होंने 16.90 प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ किया है. सेल्स ग्रोथ इज 22%.
But that is more from the perspective because their numbers, base numbers itself are lower, right? See, when we are comparing with TCS and Infosys, they have already too much leverage, right? In terms of their numbers, top lines, as well as so when we are really comparing the growth, it may not be really comparable, right? In terms of since their baselines are different.
What do you mean by baseline?
In the sense, let's say growth of 10% over 100 and growth of 10% over 1,000, right? Volume wise, they're different, right?
Correct.
One is 10 rupees, second is 100 rupees. But then it looks like 10% is they are almost at same level. They may not be, right? They're still, I mean, in terms of the profit, they're still much different. So what I'm trying to say is probably because
how
these
they
are
are different?
smaller...
Like if someone is growing 20% year over year, okay, so what is the exact fundamental parameter which will stop its share from growing 20% year over year?
Right. So the fundamental behind this IT, whatever, based on my understanding, I thought probably IT is also in the transformation phase. There are big contracts which Infosys and TCS used to get. All those kind of long-term contracts are no longer coming in the market. So they are. So from that perspective, people don't see that growth for the biggies, whereas people like Mindtree and all, they started little late, but then they started in the areas which are upcoming areas. That's why market see them much better compared to others.
नहीं पर उसने see okay, so not going too much into discussion जिसमें हम उलझ जाएं. So basically I agree with you. I agree with all your points. My only point here is that see okay, IT का जो भी है legacy है, difficulty है, जो भी हो रहा है सब हो रहा है. उसके कारण क्या एक हमारा sentiment बन गया कि IT पे मुसीबत आई हुई है. करेक्ट. उस मुसीबत में भी अगर कोई स्टॉक है जो कर रहा है, सो दैट अगेन क्या होता है, वो सेंटिमेंट के कारण वो स्टॉक का परफॉर्मेंस कभी कभी दब जाता है.
I get your point.
सो
Correct,
अभी हमारा ये पॉइंट नहीं कि पूरा आईटी क्या कर रहा है, whether IT entirely will go up. The point here is कि अभी अगर LTI एंट्री जो मुझे दिख रहा है, अभी मुझे जो लग
ए,
रहा
तुम टमाटर प्याज वाला राइस खा लोगे कि रोटी खाओगे अंडा करी?
है, okay, sorry. So what I could see is the LTI जो है, मतलब Mindtree जो है, it is growing with 10-20%. Still, the market is not giving its share its due upside. Right.
I get your point. I get your point. Yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah.
there is a possibility. I am not saying कि नहीं guarantee है कि ये Mindtree ऊपर जाएगा ही. But if we
Sure.
start searching for value, headroom for a stock to go up within IT sector, if we are looking for any stock which has a headroom to go up, with
Right.
today's this time, we can say okay, Mindtree के पास थोड़ा सा headroom है. As compared to other giants, it has more
Compared to
headroom.
others.
And we can take a call as and when it turns around and it goes up like that.
Sure. 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 Got it. Got it. Sure. Thanks, Amir.
Okay. Thank you. Great discussion.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Any other questions? एक कुछ question था, how to find the total number of shares, तो वो है किसने पूछा?
Yeah. Vipin here. मैंने पूछा था.
Okay. So
how we found, we कहाँ पर बैलेंस शीट में या कहाँ पर मिलेगा?
ये यही कहीं बैलेंस शीट में आएगा. टोटल नंबर ऑफ इशूड शेयर्स यहाँ पे, वैसे तो इसका उसमें आ जाएगा आपका. इफ यू गो टू द एनुअल रिपोर्ट, इन एनुअल रिपोर्ट ये इसमें फाइनेंशियल ईयर एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स यू विल फाइंड, उसमें वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इशूड. I don't know whether if we can find it quickly.
तो वो इजी वही जानना चाह रहा था. अभी तो बैलेंस शीट में तो देख
या फिर एनएलसी पे भी होगा. एक मिनट, इतनी जल्दी हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. हम
ठीक है.
फटाफट देखते हैं, अगर हम कहीं ढूंढ सकते हैं तो. नहीं ढूंढ पाए तो वही है. ओके, ट्रेडेड वॉल्यूम, इसमें क्या है अपने पास? ट्रेडेड वॉल्यूम शेयर वॉल्यूम, ट्रेडेड वैल्यू, टोटल मार्केट कैप, फ्री फ्लोट मार्केट कैप के टर्म्स में ही दे रहे हैं ये. और ये आई थिंक ये सिक्योरिटी में ये है, ये देख सकते हैं ना अपन इसमें. आई थिंक दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ टोटल. फेस वैल्यू इज 10.
Issued capital. Okay. Yeah.
Issued capital shares 6765687. Verify करना होगा.
ठीक है. I got it.
I am taking a calculated guess कि this is the one.
No, it's okay. Second question for this topic is that when we see the median line and the ratio is that market cap to that earning, it's kind of aligned. So is it the optimal point that we should start monitoring and we buy as per our technical analysis, what you said?
Yes.
Or,
yes.
So it means it only indicate the headroom to go up and then we buy as per our technical analysis, right?
हाँ, correct. So this gives us कि इस पूरे सेक्टर में किसके पास ज्यादा, whichever is having more headroom for going up. And because see, if we see the chart, it appears to be going down. So no point in catching a falling knife.
Correct.
Let it go up आराम से. As per our technicals, we will decide whenever it starts going up, then we will buy peacefully. Why we have to burn our hand when it is, like I call it, when the stock is going down and we try to buy it, I call it as a catching a falling knife. So I don't like cutting my hand catching a falling knife. So let it go down आराम से. वैल्यू क्रिएट हो रहा है, जब ऊपर जाने लगेगा तब पकड़ेंगे उसको.
ठीक है. थैंक यू.
ओके. Okay. Any other questions we have?
Samir ji, I have one question. It might have covered in past, but I just want to reiterate. How do you find the PE ratio of a particular company vis-a-vis its comparison with the sector or the industry?
PE comparison, मतलब how do you find means? I didn't get your question.
Means, is there any indicator somewhere in the platform?
I have not come across any such thing, or rather I don't give much weightage in finding PE, but this is a good comparison. I have not
No, but is there any website where we can find
I
the
think
P
there is one
ratio?
website, marketsmojo.com. So if you go, I think it will give.
But Market Mojo is paid, I think. It's paid.
Huh?
It's a
Sorry?
paid version. I think. They have a paid version, right?
Free
to
version,
get
maybe
all.
I think they give quite a. See, even if you see, if I go to Tata Consultancy, okay, and if you go in Screener, see here it is giving all its competitor PE. So this you can take एक rough cut तो हमको यही समझ में आएगा कि average PE क्या है.
No, I think Samirji, in TradeView and Market Mojo, both sides will give the PE level like competitors. I think Market Mojo, yes, correct. So Market Mojo will give you the details, but I think it will show you in the paid version, but it's not that much costly. I think I purchased in 9,000 for 1.5 years.
Samirji,
चलता ही रहता है, but
Samirji, sorry for the interruption. The screener also gives that sector PE. When we look at TCS, Infosys, and other IT companies, so the sector PE, IT sector PE.
Where it is mentioned?
If you go to the comparison, peer comparison, it is there in the one second. I'm just looking at it. In the last fourth column, no, it is giving the industry PE.
For maybe it is for you. आपने setting कर रखा होगा.
कॉलम एडिट करना पड़ेगा ना आपको. एडिट कॉलम करके you can add it.
Yeah, you can add. I think I have customized. So possibly
Here,
if you pull up,
industry PE. Here, you're right. So you can put industry PE and it will come.
Correct. So we will get.
Yeah, chalo, great. Thanks a lot.
And this platform, what you're accessing is which one?
This is Screener. Screener.in. It's a free version also, paid version also. So free version is also good enough for us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Samirji, you only taught us a lot of things I learned from after learning from you, and I played with that, and then many things are really. It's a free version. What you said was very, very useful. Huh? It's very
but
useful.
एक final word भी है सर. अगर पैसा कमाया तो वो भी बता दीजिए कि हाँ सीखा पर पैसा भी कमाया.
Yeah.
If you lost money also, that also you can say, no, I learned but lost money. That is also okay.
No, I learned. I lost some money, but I gained a lot.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Samirji, entry point कैसे पता लगता है? How we can get an entry point?
Entry point, there are various techniques like I have shared the RSI, MACD. There is an entry point for Ichimoku also, based on Ichimoku. Normally, if you are going for a turnaround, then always go for this high, whichever is the recent high. If it crosses it back, like consolidation theory says that, okay, whenever it crosses the previous high, if it goes up, जैसे sorry, I'll just disable Ichimoku to अगर ये इसको cross करता है वापस, whatever is the high, that is the first entry point, because then it is telling us that okay, I am ready to go up. For example, जैसे यहाँ पे है, जैसे this was the high, it started going up, so we will buy here for to trade here. Here we might have bought it false, like यहाँ पे एक false entry हो गई होती, but then this will be a real entry, it will go up. So this is the first primary way of entering. Second is RSI. There are RSI method, there is Ichimoku method of entering. So different indicator, different ways of entering. Fine, sir.
Yeah. So Samirji, one more request. Can we look at Tech Mahindra? How is it doing with reference to our analysis what we did?
Tech Mahindra. Okay, so Tech Mahindra, it's okay. It's almost 5 years price. Let's say it is at lower level here, and market sales, it is here. And PE ratio, PE ratio is higher. So as per PE ratio, it has gone up. The price is higher as far as the profit after tax is concerned. So the relatively it is higher, and which is correct also. If you see here, Tech Mahindra, profit growth has not been very good this year, right?
Right.
So the profit what they have given, the price is on the higher side.
And PEG is very high.
PEG,
Beyond reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. I think it is sentimentally because of the new top management, some sentiments are positive.
Correct.
Fundamentally not very.
हाँ मतलब
very
एटलीस्ट द अर्निंग्स पर शेयर इट इज इन लॉस, मतलब लोगों ने खरीद लिया कि इसी उम्मीद में कि इट विल गो अप, सो इट इज देयर लाइक दैट.
Yeah, because new CEO has come and then there is some hype around that. Possibly, that must be the one which is taken to.
Correct. ये कौन है? Peter Emmanuel, what you are saying? Key statistics. Okay, what is this?
Yeah, thank you, Samirji. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Notes for interview. Can you share, please? Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. So I think we have covered. I believe everyone learned something new, how to find a within the sector, how to find a good stock. So basically, I'll just repeat the steps for everyone's more fine-tuning of our learning. First of all, just put everyone in the one list, like watch list in Screener. You can arrange the columns. I have a video on YouTube how to use Screener. So you can use that, learn how to edit columns. Just now we did, it's simple, just edit a columns and you can have the columns here, save columns, then you arrange the sector in this, then you can go one by one and just have a look at their profit growth and everything. What is their profit growth and how they are correspondingly vis-a-vis the market versus sales and PE, whether they are undervalued, then you can take a call what to do with the stock, whether to buy, whether to wait for it to turn around, and what to do, like that. Great. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much for joining. See you all on next Wednesday with a new topic.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.